The Wearable Intelligence System is a homepage for your smart glasses with a suite of built-in apps designed to upgrade your intelligence. In this video, we're going to focus in on memory tools, apps designed to help you and your organization to better remember, recall, and organize information, knowledge, and memory. The screen that you're seeing in the side of the screen is the exact same screen that I'm seeing on my smart glasses display. The first memory tool here is obvious. All of the transcriptions, everything that I say and everything that others say to me, is transcribed and saved locally. Let's switch over to a phone. Everything that I say is being updated live on the phone. Of course, I can scroll through all of these transcripts far back in time. Having raw transcription of literally everything that is ever said is way too much information to organize and understand. To solve that problem, we've implemented voice notes, which is an ability to quickly make a note of anything that you want with a voice command. For example, hey computer, save speech. We need to make robots that clean autonomous vehicles. That note was saved into my notes. And if I jump back onto the phone, I can go to all notes and I can see every single note that I've made in my view. There are many notes with different names and different topics. For example, hey computer, save speech, tag wearable. This is an idea I have about the wearable system. Now that has been saved to a tag bin that is called wearable. I can open up my tag bins and I can see every note that has been tagged with wearable. And if I go to the ideas bin, for example, I can see every note that I've tagged with ideas. I have 4 tag bins here, and you can imagine being able to create any one that works for you. Another way that we can structure our notes and thinking in real time is with a memory cache, a specific section of time where you're focused on a single topic. You can start a memory cache, and then everything that is said while that memory cache is active is saved to that specific memory cache. These might be for a walk that you went on to think about a certain topic. They might be for a meeting that you had. They might be about a specific conversation. Why don't we start a new cache, and then I'll go for a walk and save notes to the cache. To start, I'm going to say, hey computer, start memory cache. All right, let's go.
Hey computer, finish memory cache. And I received a response on the glasses saying that the cache is done.
We just got back from the walk. Let's jump back to the phone here and look at the memory cache we just made. And if I tap this cache, I can see every single thing that I talked about in that walk. I can name the cache. Let's call it, now when I go back, the name has been updated. It's actually your first person experience. It's egocentric. Because of that fact, it means that there are more natural ways that we can use to help recall information. If I go back to the memory caches, we've also added an automated system that can help give you context for your memories. For example, if I went to the cache for my meeting last night, I can see the notes from our meeting, but also if I tap on one of the notes, it pulls up a context tab, which shows me who I was with, what I was seeing, and where I was at the time. We can use this egocentric data to help us recall information better. I often use a PKMS system or a note-taking system. In order to be able to sync this system with that, you can simply go to export data, choose the dates that you want to export, let's say yesterday and today, and then hit export data. What I'll do is probably just email it to myself because that works for everybody. That was a brief overview of some of the memory tools that are built into the Wearable Intelligence System that you can use right now. Most of the UI that you saw was displayed on a smartphone, but we're already working on ways to display that information live on smart glasses in a way that is auto-associative, that is relevant to the current context and conversation so that you get the information you need while you need it. What I showed you today is only a small fraction of the vision that we have for a mind-expanding memory expansion system. Much of the work presented here is a port of memory expansion tools, which is a system that I built a couple of years ago with Jeremy Stairs, who is a wearables and BCI researcher and engineer. If you are interested in collaborating, check out the GitHub repo and reach out with the email below because we'd love to collaborate. At the same time, we're teaming up with multiple academic and industry partners. Please reach out with the email below. We'd love to talk and collaborate. Thank you very much, and we'll see you very soon.